Hi guys, Mr. Triance here again. I've got another maths challenge for you today. Now this maths challenge is for year 3, but if you're year 4s, 5 or 6, you're more than welcome to have a go. Pop your answers in the comments, tweet them to the school or upload them to Shobi as usual. So here we go. Everyone at Pear Tree loves reading, including Mrs. Saini. She has 592 books to read whilst we are in lockdown. In the first week, she read 231 books. In the second week, she read 104 super books. How many more books has she got left to read? So that's the year 3 maths challenge for this week. Okay, now let's have a look at the last one, see what the answers were. So last time we were talking about Mr. Sharp's big cake that he'd baked. We spoke about how Mr. Osman had 5 out of the 23 pieces, Miss Talbot had 3 out of the 23 pieces, and Miss Glenn, who was super hungry, as always, ate 9 out of 23 pieces, and we wanted to know how many pieces there were left for everybody else. So let's think about what we know. We do know that there were 23 pieces of cake. So that is the total amount of pieces. And we want to find out how many were left, okay? So what we need to do is have the 23 take away the 5 that Mr. Osman had, the 3 that Miss Talbot had, and the 9 that Miss Glenn had. So our answer will be 23 minus 5 minus 3 minus 9. So what I need to do first is take 5 away from 23. So I've laid it out in the column method like this, and I need to take 5 away from 3. But actually I can't do that because 3 is a smaller number than 5, isn't it? So what I need to do is go over here and rename. So that becomes a 1, and the 1 that I take away from there goes over to the 3 and becomes 13. So 13 take away 5 is... Awesome. So then just add 5 to 8 to make sure. So 8, you got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh, can you see my hand? That's 5. Awesome. Then the next step, I've got 1, take away nothing. So I put the 1 down here, and that becomes 18. So I've worked out how many pieces were left after Mr. Osman's portion. Now I need to work out how many were left after Miss Talbot's portion. So I've got 18 take away the 3 that Miss Talbot had. So same again, column method. Got the 8 and then the 3 and then the 1. Okay, so I need to take this away from this. So I know that 8 take away 3 is 5. And again, because there's nothing there, don't need to rename or anything this time. So the 1 just goes down here. So 18 take away 3 is 15. So we know now that we've got 15 slices of cake after Mr. Osman and Miss Talbot had some. Now we need to know how many slices of cake were left after Miss Glenn had some, and we know that she had 9. So the sum is 15 take away 9. So put it in the column method again like so. I need to take 9 away from 5. But I can't do that because 5 is a smaller number than 9, so I need to rename. That becomes nothing. Give the 1 over there, and that becomes 15 over here now. So 15 take away 9, 6. So then that's every slice of cake that someone else has had, and that leaves us with 6. So the answer is 6. 6 slices of cake were left after Mr. Osman, Miss Talbot and Miss Glenn all had some. Well done to anybody that got the right answer there. Awesome stuff, and hopefully you'll have a go at the next math challenge. Same again, comments, tweet us, upload them onto Shobi. Good luck, stay safe, see you all soon.